I want to share with you that if you like to learn sketching then, this book is very helpful for learning the birds and animal shading and practicing. When learning sketching, begins by mastering basic shapes like circles, squares, and triangles. These fundamental shapes serve as building blocks for more complex drawings and help develop your understanding of proportions and spatial relationships. Train your eye to observe details and nuances in the objects around you. Sketching is not just about around you. Sketching is just about drawing what you think you see. It's about capturing what you actually see. Take time to study shadows, textures, and perspectives to create more realistic and accurate sketches. Don't be afraid to make mistakes or have imperfect sketches. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process and offer valuable opportunities for growth. Learn from them. Experiment and iterate on your drawings. Remember, every sketch you create contributes to your progress as an artist. Sketching is a versatile art that allows for various techniques and mediums. Explore different drawing tools like pencils, pens, charcoal, or digital software. Try cross-hatching, stippling, or blending to add depth and texture to your sketches. Experimentation will help you discover your preferred style and develop a unique artistic voice. Sketching can provide fresh perspectives, valuable tips, and motivation to improve your skills. Embrace the opportunity to grow and evolve as an artist through collaboration and learning from others.